Doctors use stethoscope to hear the sounds produced during each cardiac cycle. Now, when is the second sound heard? So, the heart produces two main sounds during each cardiac cycle, which are often referred to as S1 and S2. Coming to S1, which is the first heart sound, this is heard when the atrioventricular valves, that is the AV valves, close. That is the mitral valves as well as tricuspid valves close at the beginning of ventricular systole. That is when the ventricles contract to pump blood out. Now, coming to the S2, which is the second heart sound, this is heard when the semi-lunar valves, that is SL valves, which consist of the aortic valve and the pulmonary valves, close at the end of ventricular systole as the ventricles relax after pumping blood into the arteries, that is the aorta as well as pulmonary arteries. And this closure of the semi-lunar valves marks the end of ventricular systole and the beginning of diastole. That is a relaxation phase. So, the second heart sound S2 is typically shorter and higher pitched than the first sound, and it is associated with the closing of semi-lunar valves. So that means the correct answer is option D. Semi-lunar valves close down after the blood flows into the vessels from ventricles. Whereas option A and B are incorrect because it involves the atrioventricular valves. Option C, it is about the ventricular walls vibrating. This is also incorrect. The answer is option D.